Hello guys, what's up? This is Dinkar Chaudhary back with another video, and in this video we are going to review the Redgear X12 Pro gaming mouse. So without wasting any time, let's get right into the review. This mouse is specially designed for players who like to play FPS games like CSGO, Fortnite, PUBG, Dota 2 or any other games like that. This mouse houses a Ergo 3050 gaming grade sensor. You can adjust the DPI from 200 to 4000, which is actually very good for a gaming mouse. Let's open the box and see what is inside the box. So when we open the box, there is one more cardboard box inside it, which houses our mouse, driver CD and the user manual. Let's start directly with the driver CD that we have inside the box. The driver CD houses a software that can be used to personalize the mouse. It can be used to change sensitivity, DPI and RGB lighting on the mouse. It can be also used to program the 6 programmable buttons that the mouse has. Now let's talk about the main mouse unit that we have. The mouse has two buttons on the left and then there is a DPI button on the top. The DPI button can be used to change the RGB lighting on the mouse. It can be also used to change the DPI while gaming. Then we have the scroll wheel on the top. The mouse has a rubberized finish that makes it easier to hold and it provides a good grip. The braided cable is 1.8 meter long. This is the same braided cable like there was a braided cable on the Redgear Manta MT21 as well. I like the concept of the braided cable because it lasts longer. I'm using the Manta MT21 from like 11 to 12 months, but it still holds on. Now when comparing the Manta MT21 and the X12, the main difference between the two is the design. The Redgear Manta MT21 had more of a sexier design, but on the other hand the X12 has an ergonomic design which makes it quite easy to hold. When comparing the weights of the two, the Redgear X12 feels quite like half of the weight of the Manta MT21, which makes it easier to move. Now let's see the RGB lighting on the mouse. So now I have connected the mouse to the laptop. You can see this is the RGB lighting that we have on the mouse. Comparing it to the Redgear Manta MT21, there is a lot of difference between the two when it comes to RGB lighting. On the Manta MT21, the lighting was spread across the mouse, while on the X12, the light is concentrated to the Redgear logo and the scroll wheel. Talking about the lighting, in my personal opinion, I like the RGB lighting when it's spread across the mouse rather than concentrated at one position. So this is more of a personal choice if you like the lighting concentrated at one point or you like it when it's spread across the mouse. So it's not really like a point to talk about when choosing a mouse, but then again it can be a point to note for someone. Now let's talk about the responsiveness of the mouse. I played PUBG and Fortnite with the mouse, and I have to say that the mouse is quite responsive and it's like really good for gaming. The side button works when you hold the left button, also the left mouse button also, and it's quite useful when playing Fortnite because you have to build and you have to aim also, so it's quite good when doing that. So this is a recording of me playing Fortnite. I was using the mouse for the first time here. Now on the bottom left corner you have the mouse video, and this is the gameplay of Fortnite. So let's go down and let's have some wood. Let's gather some wood and let's see how it goes. So this just in case you want to buy the mouse, it is available on amazon.in in the name of Redgear X12 Pro RGB gaming mouse with Ergo sensor, and it is available for rupees 899. I will be giving the link in the description. Just in case you want to check the mouse out, just click the link in the description and get to that page. While the Manta MT21 mouse was good, I have used it for an year now for gaming, so it was good, but this one is a step ahead when it comes to design, the grip, the sensitivity, the responsiveness and everything else. Like this one is definitely a step ahead. The Redgear Manta MT21 also didn't have the Ergo sensor that this mouse sports. Also the range of the DPI on this mouse is quite good. You can change it from 200 to 4000, which makes it extreme for a normal gamer. You can also use this mouse for professional gaming, and it's a budget mouse for professional gaming. So guys, thank you for watching the video. I hope you liked the video. Click the like and subscribe button if you found this video helpful, and share for more videos like this, and enjoy the gameplay.